Let's learn how to make these beautiful envelopes. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get the direct updates. This envelope is perfect for greeting cards or invitation cards. We have to take sheets of 2 different colors and cut out a big circle of equal size from all of them. We will fold all the circles in half. Now we will paste all the circles with each other in the pattern as shown in the video. Now close the envelope as shown and decorate it in whatever way you want to. Keep it simple and it will look amazing. Now we will make cute kitty envelope. Take a sheet of 24 by 18 centimeters and follow the foldings as shown in the video. Now for the finishing of the envelope, we will paste ears and draw eyes, nose and moustaches. We can send a greeting or handwritten postcard in this envelope. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Now we will make the third envelope, which can be used as Shagun Lifafa. We will take a A4 sheet and follow the folding pattern as shown in the video. Our envelopes are ready to use. Thanks for watching.